My name is Sevket Unal. I'm the Vice President for Havelsan International Business Development and Marketing. Basically here in WDS we are showcasing our capabilities and our software solutions. Havelsan is a defense industries company of Turkey existing for the last 44 years. Mainly we are providing software intensive solutions for the air forces, land forces and naval forces. We are also very strong at simulations, also in the three domains. And of course, autonomous systems, robotic systems driven by AI are one of the hot topics that we're discussing. And when we go back to the simulation, we provide all kinds of simulators, whether these are platform simulators like helicopters or winged simulators or parachute, sniper simulators or tank simulators. So anything that needs a simulator which is viable to make and which makes added value to the customers, we can do it. Havelsan, as a integration company at the same time, we provide our holistic end-to-end solutions which are interoperable. So as a software defense industry company, we are not relying on hardware. So we can integrate any hardware from any vendor around the globe into our management system. What does this actually provide to the end users? It provides flexibility, and it also gives them the free hand to pick and choose the best quality for the best price. In the last few days here in WDS, we have been hosting a lot of Saudi delegations, but also regional countries with delegations. The topics that we have mainly discussed is command and control technologies and simulation technologies. Havelsan provides the electronic warfare training capabilities, which are actually required by the forces, air defense forces, for example, to simulate in a near real environment. Furthermore, in the training also we provide firing ranges. In Saudi Arabia also we have done a firing range in different countries around the globe. Of course, in our home country, Turkey, also we have provided the firing range. The firing range provides the possibilities for real platforms, air platforms, or land systems to shoot and train from air to land or from land to air, in which also pilots and ground personnel can train themselves for air defense systems. And the next step in the firing range is the upgrading to the electronic warfare test and training ranges, in which also air defense systems will be included, either by real or by emulators. And the last one, actually, what we have been discussing in the last 4 days in the training and simulation is the Wargaming. This is something that we have been discussing here in the Gulf region very extensively in different countries. Wargaming provides, again, the scenarios and the platforms where the war doctrines can be tested. Air, land, and naval brigades can be trained. You can write scenarios, you can check your doctrines, and you can do the enemy, friend, and different kinds of diagnostics and testing capabilities can be implemented. Again, all of these solutions are modular, and also the local hardware and the software that they have will also be integrated into the solutions so that you actually simulate like real. And of course, in the last couple of years or so, Havelsan, we have been deeply investing in autonomous systems. We have the USV, the UGV, and in the UAV domain, we are in VTOL. First of all, these were only stand-alone systems a couple of years ago, but now we are talking more autonomous, more AI-based capabilities, and swarming among themselves, and also mixed swarming, joint swarming between, for example, the VTOL segment and the UGV segment. All of this can be done through artificial intelligence, joint command and control, and the software that Havelsan provides, which we call the DOP, Defense Out of the Box, for controlling all the brigades in the field, and deploying this in a testable environment provides the forces of continuous education and learning while there is no war schemes at all.